Start here. Okay, guys, again, good morning for you. Good morning for all. And today we'll start with module 8, lesson 1, vertical and adjacent angles, page 391. In chapter 7, we finished the inequalities. And before I start with this lesson, if you have any question about the previous homework, you can ask me. If you have any questions about the previous homework or any questions in general, you can ask me. Omar.
Thank you, Mr. Mr. I have
Yes,
a
Omar.
question.
Ask
In the
me.
last homework, the online assignment, we had a
Page.
homework. No,
An online assignment.
I'll tell
Yeah,
you
okay, give me. Yeah.
Ahmed has invited 14 friends to his graduation party.
Wait, Ahmed invited 14 friends, right?
To his graduation party.
Good.
How much can he spend per person if his budget is no more than $98?
$98, right?
Yeah.
His budget. Good. Wait. His budget is
no more than
no more than come 98
dollars.
This question I sent a note for you in inbox. Do you check it?
No.
Check the notes, guys. I sent note. It has a typing mistake in place of less than.
Yeah, Mr.
Should be less than or equal.
I had the right one.
Yeah, I know. So that's why I get +1 for all of you, because I have printing mistakes. In place of less than, I wrote in place of less than or equal, I wrote less than. So your answer is correct if you choose this one.
Okay.
Got it? Do you understand that?
Yes, thank you, Mr.
But I sent the note in your inbox, guys. Please, if you in inbox, if you see any title of any message with started with math, please open it. It's from me. Okay? Okay, Omar? It's from me. Okay. Any note started with math in your inbox, any message started from math, it's from me to you. So please check anything from math title. In this question, guys, I just printing mistake. In place of less than or equal, I wrote less than, which is my fault. So that's why I get +1 for all of you. Else. Abdul Latif.
Mr. Page 338, question number 6.
Read.
338.
Page what, يبني?
Page what? 338.
338 أيوة.
لا 383 Mr. Sorry.
ركز حبيبي. 300 what?
83.
83. Yeah. Which question?
X over 10.
Which question?
6.
يلا read.
X over 10.
أيوة.
Plus 1 over 4.
بسرعة يا ابني. أيوة.
More than or equal 1 over 5.
We need to solve this equation, this inequality, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the first step, Yabni? What we have here?
Plus.
So what we will do in both sides?
Minus.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's rewrite it and do the first step. Do you know it?
Yeah.
Yeah, minus 1 over 4, minus 1 over 4, right?
Yeah.
Now 1 over 4 minus 1 over 4, they are what? Gone. What is still in this side?
X over 10.
Good. This is x over 10, and this comes the same. And here we will do subtraction of equation, right?
Yeah.
So we'll do it here and put the answer of them here. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. 1 over 5 minus 1 over 4. How we subtract fractions? Do you know?
Yeah.
How? Tell me.
We will let the denominator the same.
We will let the denominators the same. Here multiply by 4 up and down, and here multiply by 5 up and down, right?
Yeah.
It will be 4 over 20 minus 5 over 20. Right?
Yeah.
صح?
Yeah.
Now 4 minus 5, how much?
1.
Over 20. Huh?
1.
No, it is
Negative
negative
1. Negative 1.
Good. So I will take this and I will put it here. Negative 1 over 20, right?
Yeah.
Now, what's the next step? I have x divided by 10 more than or equal negative 1 over 20. What I need to do here?
Multiply. Multiply
مظبوط. Multiply, but multiply by what in both sides?
x over 8. X over 10. Multiply 10.
Multiply by what? Multiply by what?
10.
Huh?
By 10.
By 10.
10.
ممتاز. So here multiply by 10 and here multiply by 10, right? So the 10s are gone. What is still in this side here?
X.
Do we need to switch this inequality here?
No.
No, because I multiplied with positive number, which is 10, right?
Yeah.
So here is still the same, and here do multiply normally. Negative 1 multiply 10, negative 10. 20 multiply 1, 20, right?
Yeah.
Now negative 10 over 20, we make simplest form, you know?
Yeah. Yeah.
Divide up and down by 10, x will be what more than or equal? Negative 1 over
2.
2. Do you understand that?
Yeah. Thank you, Mr.
Welcome, Mister. Goodbye. Now you can watch the video again and you can copy the steps, all of them here. Thank you, guys. Now let's start with our lesson here. And I want you, please, guys, leave everything and just focus with me here. Focus with me here. Now our lesson is module 8. Lesson 1, vertical and adjacent angles, page 391. Open your book, leave it beside you, and come with me here. Now, what is the angle? What is the angle? Before I start with vertical and adjacent, you took angles before. Let's remember, what is the angle? Angle contains 3 parts. 3 parts. The first part, we call it vertex and 2 sides. Vertex and 2 sides, like this one. Vertex and 2 sides, or I will call them 2 rays, not sides. Rays. Vertex and 2 rays. This we call it angle. Now, the angle has a name. I can name the angle. I will say this point, I will call it B. This here, A. I will give randomly points. And here, C. And if I wrote a number here like this one, like this, I can give a name. I can name the angle in 4 ways. In 4 ways. I can say angle, and this is the symbol of the angle. You can write it like this, and you can write it like this. Symbol of the angle, okay? I can say angle A, B, C. I can say angle C, B, A. So to name the angle using the 3 letters, the vertex should be at the middle always. You can start with ABC or CBA. You cannot say CAB. This is wrong. The vertex always at the middle. You can say angle B alone like this. Angle B means I'm talking about angle 2 here inside. And if I add the angle given by a number, you can say angle 2 like this. This here is the symbol of the angle. You can write it like this, and you can write it like this. When you see this, means you are talking about angles. So how we name the angle, guys, we can use these ways. For example, if I have this angle, I can say angle STQ, or I can say angle QTS. I can say angle T لحالها. I can say angle 5 لحالها. Okay? Now this number here, guys, here like this, it is the name of the angle. The name, it's only name. Like when I say room 4, room 4, you will go to the room number 4. It is the name, not value. But if I write something like this, guys, and it's important, look here. If I write, for example, 52 with a small circle up like this we call it the measure of the angle, not the name of it. So angle T in this graph here equal 52 degree. This small circle up means degree, the measure of the angle, okay? So I will say angle T, the measure of angle T is 52 degree. And M here, if I wrote M, the letter M means the measure, قياس يعني, okay? So this is, I know you know most of this information, but I want to just refresh your minds. Now, the angles, guys, you know that we have 4 types of angles. You know that before, 4 types of angles. We have the first one, acute angles. You did that before. You have obtuse angles. You have right angles. And you have straight angles. Straight angle. Look, guys. Now the acute, when the measure is less than 90, less than 90 degree. For example, if angle T here, 52, we call it acute. Any angle less than 90, we call it acute angles. You did that before. Any angle more than 90, we call it obtuse angle. More than 90 and less than 180. If the measure is more than 90 and less than 180, like for example, 110, 120, 145, any angle between 90 and 180, we call it obtuse. The right angle always 90 degree only, 90 degree. Now, the acute angle means it is open small like this one. The obtuse angle means open big like this one. It's open is big, it's open is small. The right angle has only one shape, something like this. And it has small square here. This means 90 degree, okay? The straight angle from its name, straight, means something like this, straight angle. This, the measure of this is always 180 degree, 180 degree. So we have 4 types of angle. Acute, if it's measure less than 90. Obtuse, if the measure is between 90 and 180. If it's 90, we call it right angle. If it's 180, we call it a straight angle. These are the ideas which I want you to know it very well, guys, okay? Now let's go to our book. Let's go to our book. Before I go to our book, guys, if you have any questions about these ideas here, how we name the angle, the types of the angle, you took that before, but I want just to refresh your minds before we start. If you don't have, or if you have any questions about these ideas here, you can ask me. Yazan, do you have?
No, Mr. I let my hand raised.
Type. Else, guys, any questions about these ideas, easy ideas here? Let's go to the lesson, guys. Let's go to the book now. Let's go there. We are in example 1 now. In example 1, see example 1? Example 1. Yeah, who can read it with me?
I can.
Yeah, I want the students.
Mr. I can if you want.
لا Mr. هاي فارس. يلا فارس read.
Example 1. Name angles. Name the angles in 4 ways. Select all the correct
Name
names.
the angle in 4 ways, right?
Yeah.
Continue. Select
select all of the correct names for the given angle.
Good. Now this is the angle, guys. Here we have Z, Y, X, and we have 1 here. Is this one, ya Faris, name or measure?
And
Name. It is name. It has no circle up like this one, right?
Yeah.
This, it is measure. If it's without like this, means angle 5, for example. Get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me now, can we say angle 1 for this angle?
Yeah.
But check, guys. But check. You know the check? Check.
Yeah.
Can we say down here angle X, Y, Z?
Yes.
But check, guys. Check. Can we say angle X, Z, Y?
No.
No, we cannot say X, Z, Y, guys. The Y should be at the middle always. So X, Z, Y, but cross. غلط يعني. Can we say Z, X, Y?
No.
Also no, but cross. Can we say Z, Y, X?
Yes.
But check. Check. صح. Can we say angle X?
Yes.
Angle X is X angle? No.
No. No. No.
But
No.
wrong. Can we say
Wrong.
angle Y?
Yes.
But check. Can we say angle Z?
No.
But wrong. Now let's do this one together. Name the angle in 4 ways. This angle, let's name it in 4 ways. Yeah.
Mr. Can I answer, Omar?
Yeah. Wait, let me just write the angle on the board. We are on the check, guys. Which page, Omar?
Page 392.
392. Yeah. We have this angle here. And here we have a small square. See it?
Mm.
And here we have CBA, CBA. And here we have the row 2 like this.
Yes.
But give me names. Give me the first name of this angle, yeah.
ABC.
What I can say?
ABC, or we can say
Angle,
2.
guys, angle, don't forget, angle ABC.
ABC.
Good. Angle
2.
2. Angle
CBA.
CBA. Angle
B.
B. ممتاز. These are the 4 names. طبعا you can use any name. Not all the 4. No, any name of them is valid. But what's this square mean, yeah, Omar?
That means it's a right angle.
It's a right angle. And the right angle is what always? How much the measure?
90
90 degrees.
Exactly
This
90
small
degrees.
square, guys, small square here means this angle is 90 degree, and we call it right angle. Don't forget that. We will use it later. This is the check, page 392. This is the check, page 392. Angle ABC, angle CBA, angle B, angle 2, and the small, sorry guys, the small square here means it's right angle, and the measure is always 90 degrees. But now we are done with how we name the angle. It's easy idea. And let's talk about our title. We have 2 types of angles, guys, vertical and adjacent. Vertical and adjacent. Okay. Now I'm done with the check, page 392. Now I'm moving to our title. Let's talk about our title here. Yeah. I will start with the vertical angles. Vertical angles. Focus, guys. Now, please leave everything and focus with me. The vertical angles, guys, comes between intersection of two lines. Again, the vertical angles come, okay, by intersection of two lines. For example, if I have this line here and this line here, I have intersection of two lines. They are intersected with each other in this point, okay? Now, I have here four angles. I will name them 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I have here 4 angles. So if you intersect two lines, there will be 4 angles between them. Now, look here, guys. Angle 1 and angle 3, we call them vertical. This angle here, angle 1, and angle 3, we call them vertical. So, angle 1 and angle 3, we call them, I won't use the word angle, I will use the symbol. Angle 3, we call them vertical angles, okay? So angle 1 with angle 3, we call them what, guys? Vertical angles. Angle 2 and angle 4, this angle here and this angle here. Angle 2 and angle 4, we call them also vertical angles. So angle 2 and angle 4, also we call them vertical angles. So what are the vertical angles? Let's say they are opposite for each other. Opposite for each other. Okay, guys? So angle 1 with angle 3, we call them vertical. Angle 2 with angle 4, we call them vertical. Now, what is the relationship between the vertical angles? Look here, guys. Focus here with me, it's important note. Vertical angles are equal. Are what? Equal. Means angle 1 and 3, they are vertical. So angle 1 equal angle 3. Angle 1 equal angle 3 in measure. Means if the measure of angle 1 is 50 degree, the measure of angle 3 should be also 50 degree. Should be. Okay, guys? So angle 1 and angle 3, if they are vertical, then they are what?
Equal.
It's important. The vertical angles are equal. Right. We said angle 1 and 3 vertical. But angle 2 and 4 also vertical. Means also angle 2 equals to angle 4. Angle 2 equals to angle 4. Means if angle 2, for example, let's say, it's just assuming 90, no, not 90, it's not right. Let's say 95 degree. If angle 2 is 95 degree, angle 4 also should be لازم تكون 95 degree. I'm just assuming angles here. So the vertical angles, guys, always what? Always
Equal.
Don't forget that. Angle 1 vertical with angle 3. Angle 2 vertical with angle 4. We can say angle 1 and 3 vertical angles and they have the same measurement. Angle 2 and 4 vertical angles and they have the same measurement. It's important. Now, let's go to the book here. Look, let's go here, guys. Look here. Now, 1 is vertical with a 3, right? What they wrote here, angle 1, this sign here between 1 and 3 means equivalent. They wrote something like this, guys. Angle 1, something like this, right? Angle 3. This word means, or this symbol means equivalent. Equivalent means they have the same measurement, same of equal. It's okay, don't confuse with that. So angle 1 equivalent with angle 3 means they have the same measurement and they are vertical. Angle 2 also equivalent with angle 4. So angle 2 down equal to angle 4. Angle 1 equal to angle 3. Now down here, guys, we have example 2. See it?
Yes.
Example 2. Let's do example 2 together and let's fill these spaces here. Who can tell me angle 1 is vertical to which angle?
I can, Mr.
Yalla,
Angle
tell. Angle 1 vertical to?
4.
Put 4 here in the first space, guys. 4. Type, Mr. Talal.
Yes, Mr.
Talal, do you understand what we are talking here?
Yes.
Angle 2, ya Talal. Your friend said angle 1 is vertical to angle 1 with 4. Angle 2 with which angle?
Angle 5.
Angle
5.
5. Mumtaz. So angle 2, guys, is vertical with angle 5. Don't forget that. Angle 3 is vertical with which angle, yeah? Mustafa. Mustafa.
Yes,
طيب.
Mr. Yes, Mr.
يلا يا مصطفى بسرعة. Angle 3 is vertical to which angle?
To angle 6.
ممتاز. So angle 1 with 4, angle 2 with 5, and angle 3 with 6. These angles, guys, we call them vertical angles. And each vertical angles are what should be equal. Should be equal. We will stop in example 2, guys. And tomorrow, inshallah, we'll continue about these examples here. Thank you so much.
Goodbye, Mr. See you
Jordan,
tomorrow.
you can stop
You're
it.
welcome.